Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 6 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 6 math and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter geometric measurement. The lessons we're going to cover today are perimeter, area of rectangles and squares, area of triangles, then area of parallelograms and trapezoids. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can examples and definitions as well. Just 1 minute. Let's just start with the lesson perimeter. What is the perimeter of the square? So perimeter is sum of the measurement of all the sides, right? That is a square, so all sides must be equal 6. You just have to add 6 plus 6 plus 6, right? So that is 24. The parameter is you need to add all the side lengths, right? That would be the parameter. Let's just start with the test questions. Look at the square, find the value of t. You are given the parameter, right? The parameter of the shape is 12 meter. You need to calculate the side length. So parameter is the sum of all the sides because that is a square. So they all same side length. That is 4t equals 12. You need to calculate the value of t. Divide both sides by 4. So t equals 4 times 3 is 12. So t equals 3. Option number 1 is the correct option. All the side lengths must be equal 3 meters. What is the parameter of the square, which is the correct option? That is 20 miles. Option number 2 is the correct option. Look at the rectangle V. Find the value of V. So rectangle has opposite sides equal in measurement, right? That is 10. That is 10. This is V. This is V, isn't it? P equals 38. You have 10 The side lengths are 10 plus 10 plus V equals 38. 20 plus 2V equals 38. 20 minus 38 minus 22, V equals 18. Divide both sides by 2 because you need to calculate the value of V. 2 times 9 is 18, so V equals 9. These side lengths are 9. Any question you can ask if you have any. So V equals 9. The correct option is 9 centimeter. What is the parameter? Which is the correct option? That is 23 millimeters. Option number 2 is the correct option. Find the value of W. The parameter you are given is 18. The side length you are given is 8 plus 8 plus W. 8 plus 8 is 16. Move 16 other side, so 18 minus 16 is 2. So that means the missing side length is 2. Got it? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is that is area of rectangles and squares. What is the area of square? How do we calculate the area of square? Area of square has all four sides equal in length, right? So the area of square is side times side. So the for the given square, the side length is 7. So you have to do 7 times 7, that's 49. Let's just start with the test questions. What is the area of the square? Which is the correct option? The area of square is side times side. So that is 6 times 6, that is 36. The correct option is option number 236 is the correct option. Option number 2 is the correct option. Got it? What is the area which is the correct option? That is option number 1. 2 times 2 is 4. So option number 1 is the correct option. You have to use the formula, right? Like the one I am on right now, that is a rectangle. The area of rectangle is length time width. Simply keep these formulas in your mind. The area of rectangle is length time width. Length is 10, width is 8, 10 times 8 is 80. So area of square is 80 square millimeters. The correct option is option number 2, that is 80 square millimeters. What is the area of square? So now look at this example. The square has all four sides equal in measurement, isn't it? They all are 7. And the formula to calculate the area of square is side times side. So that is 7 times 7. So the correct option is 49. Got it? Any question? The correct option is option number 1, that is 49. What is the area of square, which is the correct option? That is again the square. So you have to do side times side. The side length is 10. So then that would be 10 times 10. So the correct option is 100 square meters. The correct option is 100 square meters. Option number 3 is the correct option. What is the area which is the correct option? That is 4 times 3 is 12. So option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is area of triangles. What is the area? The area to calculate the formula to calculate the area of triangle is half times base times height. This is the base of the triangle and this is the height of triangle, that is base and that is height. You simply have to use the formula that is half times base times height. 1 by 2 times 8 times 5. 2 times 4 is 8 and 4 times 5 is 20. So the area is 20 yards square for this triangle. Got it? Let's just start with the test questions. What is the area which is the correct option? You have to use the formula that is A equals half times base times height, right? So that is half times 6 times 3. 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 3 is 6. So that would be 3 times 3 is 9. Very good. The correct option is option number 1. Option number 1 is the correct option. What is the area which is the correct option? That is 35. Option number 1 is the correct option. What is the area which is the correct option? That is, you have to use the formula. Keep these formulas in your mind. They are very important. That's all you have to do. The formula to calculate the area of triangle is half times base times height, right? Simply put up the values, that is, base is 9, height is 10, right? 10 times 9 is 90. Divide 90 by 2. 2 times 4 is 8. 9 take away 8 is 1 and bring 0 down. Then 2 times 5 is 10 and 10 take away 10 is 0. So the correct option is 45. Option number 1 is the correct option. Got it now? Option number 1 is the correct option. What is the area which is the correct option? That is A equals half times base times height. That is 1 by 2 times 9 times 8, right? You can write it like this, 9 times 8 over 2. And then you can divide it by 2 because you can. 2 times 4 is 8. So 9 times 4 is 36. So the correct option is 36. The correct option is 36. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is area of parallelogram and trapezoids. What is the area? The area to calculate the formula we are going to use to calculate the area of parallelogram is A equals base times height. That is simply A equals base times height. That is the base, that is 3, and that is the height, that is again 3. So 3 times 3 is 9. You need to keep these formulas in your mind. 3 times 3 is 9. Let's just start with the test questions. What is the area? That is base times height. That is 3 times 3. The correct option is 9. Option number one is the correct option. That is 3 times 3 equals 9. What is the area you have to do? 5 times 4. The correct option is 20. Option number 2 is the correct option. What is the area which is the correct option? That is 7 times 9 is 63. Option number 1 is the correct option. What is the area which is the correct option? Six times 9 is 54. Option number 1 is the correct option. Very good. What is the area which is the correct option? That is 2 times 2 equals 4. Option number 1 is the correct option. What is the area which is the correct option? That is 5 times 8 is 40. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So, we were working on grade 6 math. Chapter we were working on is geometric measurement. The lessons we have covered today are perimeter, area of rectangles and squares, area of triangles, area of parallelograms, and trapezoids. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can simply click on the live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you. Or either you can write down the questions in the chat box. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. So please write down the questions in the chat box for which you need help. No questions. Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.